With a little creativity and ingenuity, everyday life can be made much easier. Secured shoelaces. Don't throw apple peels away. Here's how you can recycle them. Leave them to steep in water to extract all their useful nutrients. Use the liquid to water your plants. Rich in potassium and mineral salts, banana peels are also an excellent all-natural fertilizer. Here's another anti-waste idea using lemons. If you put a lemon in the dishwasher, it will have the same effect as using rinse aid. With this method, you can turn any flower pot into a hanging planter. Beautiful! For slow and constant watering, all you need is a length of string and a container of water. A great idea, not only for when you are away from home, but for all plants that need to be raised in moist soil. Trousers too long? Shorten them by using double-sided tape. Check out the difference! This hack will revolutionize your life. Put a cable tie around a roll of Scotch tape. Tears off easily. If you cut it like this, a Band-Aid will adhere much better to your finger. Unripened bananas? An apple will speed up the ripening process.